Where? That one? The Binmore? Ah, the Binmore. Cannot reach. Cannot zoom. Cannot zoom eh. Because my camera is not good. But it's okay. Oh. This is the way to go Benmore Lake. That one down in the, I'm here in the top eh. Cannot see it. Cannot see. That is the another dam, Benmore Dam. Oh, that one oh. Down the Benmore Dam. That one. Benmore Dam. This one. That's the way to go. The dam. Yeah. That's the Waitaki Dam.
No, it's not. It's the Aviemore Dam.
Aviemore Dam.
Yeah. The first one was the Waitaki Dam.
That's Aviemore Dam. Aviemore Dam. Aviemore Dam. So there are many waters in New Zealand. Aviemore Dam. That water leaks is supplied to New Zealand farmer?
No, the electricity.
Just only for fishing?
Make the electricity.
Electricity. That's one. So it's nice. Supply for the electricity. Benmore Dam. Benmore Dam. Benmore Dam. Oh. That's good. It's too big. The Benmore Dam.
Aviemore Dam.
You have more dam
This is
also.
Aviemore Dam.
Benmore Dam.
The next one, we're going to go up the road here and then we'll go across the Aviemore Dam.
Pukaki River. Pukaki Lake.
Lake.
That one is a Pukaki
And
Lake.
the canal comes out of it down here. Down here on the right, the canal comes out of it and goes down to Torres. Or down to O'Hare actually.
There are many lakes here.
It goes way back up there.
This is
There's the canal
Pukaki
there.
Lake.
There's the canal going there, right back there.
It's too far. It's visitor center. So, in New Zealand there are many lakes. There are many people camping in the lakes here in New Zealand. Bangkok applied salmon. Okay. That way. This way.
This is the spillway. This is the spillway in the river. And the spillway.
To go down.
There's quite a bit of water going down the river too.
And the river also there. Cannot see. Cannot see the river. It's flowing down. Oh, see? Too big. There are many people down. It's nice. That's why there are many farmers, because there are more source of water to supply the farmers. The lake is too big, enough to supply the farmers. Too big, the lake. So the water here in New Zealand is free, because more like
It's not free.
to supply some houses of water.
I was supposed to turn off it.
Tekapo military camp. Go down to Tekapo military camp.
That's a wee way mate. It's just the camp.
Maybe this one is the camp.
That's the military camp.
Just a tip.
It's very cold there in the winter. Very hot in the summer.
Oh, really? It's cold in the winter, but in summer too much hot.
That's why it's a military camp, because the soldiers used to living in different climates.
This is the way to Tekapo. That's the place of New Zealand. This is the part 2. Tekapo.
Just about.
First time I go to Tekapo. First tour in 2026. First out of town tour in January 1, 2026. Going to Tekapo. Have helicopter here. That's a helicopter. Yeah. Lake Tekapo Airport. Tekapo. Ay. My video is welcome to Lake Tekapo. Welcome to Lake Tekapo. Another lake again. There are many people boating here also. Look down. There are many caravan. This is Tekapo Lake. Many people dance, camping in the lake. I visit today for how many lakes? Oh, big lakes also. This one, Tekapo. This is the place. Hot Spring and Ice Ring. Lake Tekapo Motel Holiday Park. Thornlip. Ay, really? Resorts. Villas. 35 speed. Oh, Lake Tekapo. Oh, I reach in Tekapo now. I reach in Tekapo Bay, Tekapo Lake. Rapuan Lake. Oh, so many people here. So many people here.
Can't go in here. Can't go in here. Sorry.